Alright, yo, today I'm gonna quickly show you guys how to download this new, not really new, the Anime Vanguards macro called AIO macro. It could basically do anything, but I haven't really used this new one. I haven't seen a thing about it. All I know is that, actually no, I've seen some videos vouching, say it was decent, say it was pretty good, and I saw people just using it. I haven't really used it myself. I haven't even played this new update yet. I only got shiny guts and the stuff there. But I'm gonna start playing this game because I need to get this familiar to make Gojo OP once again. And as you can see, I already have a one-up Gojo. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly show you how to download it. But before, let me just talk about my old video. My previous video was over 2 weeks ago, and it was showing the old macro. I'm just getting new comments every day talking about how they're getting viruses or how it's not working and Discord link bug. That video was 2 weeks old. Like, of course, as everything's not going to be new and you're doing the wrong stuff yet, because that was about the old macro. This one is new. Also, people saying that the macro is paid to access. If you go on announcements or if you just look around, it clearly says that if you pay, you get the macro a few days earlier before the free access. If you pay, you would get the macro. You can pay for Orca roll for 400 Robux, or just donate a roll, which gives you early access anyway for 100 Robux. Or you can just pay £1, £4, or $1 and $4 for the rolls. If you do that, you get like 3 days before it's free access to everybody. So it was free. If you paid early access, you get it for on the 30th of September, and if you wanted free access, you get it on the 1st of August. So now it's free and people should not be complaining, and I'm going to show you how to quickly do this. Okay, now let me quickly show you. So first, you want to go to the Discord. Let me just open this because you might need it in the future. You want to go to your Discord, or you can go to the link in the bio, join the Discord server, will take you to Salomon's projects. So I should have it open. Right, where's my Discord? There. So you want to go to Salomon's projects. I'll send the link in bio. Yeah, so then you want to go to I don't know where the macro is. I'll put the macro link in the description as well. For me, I have early access. I'm gonna go here, click on this, and it'll take me to a link. I'll put this link in the bio as well. So make sure you join the server. Look, early access got it 3 days ago, became free 18 hours ago. Early access and Orca Raw got it 4 days ago, 5 days ago basically. So if you pay Orca, you get like almost a week before it becomes free. Early access you get like 2 days after Orca Roll, and early access you get 3 days after early access. No, if you free, you get 3 days after early access. Anyway, you want to click on the zip, source code zip. For me, I tried downloading this twice before. It's right here. Look, it should say network error, blah blah blah. Maybe. Now for me, it just downloaded. I just downloaded one like a few minutes ago, but it's downloading for me. If it says network error, go to virus and threat protection. Go to press manage settings on virus and threat protection settings and take off real-time protection. You want to click it and say, are you sure you want to take it off? Press yes. Then you want to download it, and when you download it, it should work perfectly. Don't turn it back on if you download it, because when you do download it, you want to go to exclusions. Then you want to go down to add an exclusion, go to folder, and add in that folder you just added. But I'm even going to do it for me. I think that's not wrong. You want to add in that folder when you extract it. Actually, you want to add it in, so that means when you have it, it's not going to be flagged as a virus. It's not going to be flagged as anything. Oh yeah, let me say the reason it says Trojan was maybe flagged as a virus is because it has a Trojan, so it can get access to your keyboard and mouse, so it would automatically play the game for you. So yeah, that's another question. I'm pretty sure I said that in my last video, but people are complaining saying it has a Trojan. I don't think it's safe. Blah blah blah. Undeletable virus. It does not have an undeletable virus. I'm showing you right now that I'm downloading it. And let me open my browser again. Quickly downloads. Opening the file. This is the one I downloaded like 2 minutes ago. I just wanted to see how I would do it. And yeah, This is the one I just downloaded, as you guys can see. If you still don't believe me, I'll close it, go to my downloads, open the folder, and it's literally this one. It's highlighted already. You don't want to open it. You want to right click, then you want to extract it. It should take a few seconds, a minute. Mine's right there, it's done already. Just wait for it. Okay, then you want to open it. Then you want to open this, and then Windows protected, blah blah blah. Press more info, then press run anyway. Then it's gonna load the macro. It's gonna load everything, and yeah, just give it a minute. This should work. Just wait for it to load. I'm trying to do this quick, like really quick. It's early in the morning. Okay, now my game is here. If you want, you need to press F1 to align it to your Roblox, but make sure you're out of your full screen first. So press F11. I'm not in full screen anymore. If you drag this, the Roblox drags with you, so it's fine. Now that's good. Now this is what it can do. You go to game mode. If you click on stuff and it keeps saying continue, just keep pressing continue. It'll be fine. Okay. Now look, you can farm challenges for you, infinite for you, portals, rifts, bounty, edge stage, anything here it can farm for you. You can go to farm. It could also be daily challenges, trade challenges, half-hourly challenges, rifts and bounties. You could do infinites. You can do everything. Okay, but first thing you want to do, go to your screen resolution on your computer, right? Make sure it's at 100%. If you don't know how to do it, open settings, go to display settings, and the scale and make it 100%. If not, the macro will not work. First, you want to go to webhook, and you want to go to your Discord. Quickly make a new server, or if you're already in one, or blah blah blah. Go there, go to your server, go to server settings. Then you want to, you want to go to integrations, webhook, and if you already have one, just whatever, you can delete it or use the one you already have. I'm going to delete this one, make a new one, create webhook. I'm going to name it anything. I'm just going to name it AV, I'm going to name it Anime Vanguards or whatever. And if you wanted to talk in like a specific channel, this is what you do. I'm going to make a talk in this one. Copy the link for the webhook. Save changes. You can give it a profile picture if you want. Okay, I'm going to close, drag it back, click on webhook, paste the URL right here, and now the webhook should be connected. So if I go to this link, if I go to the general, my channel, and I click F4, it should. I even type here first. So now if I type in, what was it? Yeah, F4 to test the webhook. It should. Normally it should. Okay, now this is not working. Maybe I did something wrong. Okay. One sec. Let me move this other way. It's annoying. Go here. Server settings. Integration. Webhook. Copy the URL. And I'm gonna bring this back. Click on main. Webhook. We delete all of this. Okay. Control V. And you pasted it in. You want to press save. Then close. Go back. Okay. Now you can close it. Then you want to make sure it's F4. And it should. I have no idea why this is not working. But it should send. That's how you know if the thingy works in the webhook. Let's see. Maybe you send it in a different channel. One log entry. Okay, so I use it. Let's just see. Like we're not my crowd using it. Okay. Yeah, the test webhook is not working. But if that don't work, another thing you can do is go here, get rid of, just delete all of this. Oh wait, you have to delete all. Okay, I'm gonna go here. This is my Discord. If you need help, DM me. So I need to get my Discord user ID. So I don't think my username. Copy user ID. Then paste it. That's annoying. I think I'm gonna have to blur that maybe. Okay, now if I test my macro, it should DM me, I think. I'm gonna just spam testing macro. Is it messaging me? I feel like it should. Okay, maybe it's not. I don't know how it's not working right now, but who knows? By the time you guys use it, might be fixed. Check version. I have the latest version, so I don't know why it's not working. Anyway, hopefully that works for you. Then you want to go to auto reconnect with private server link. Okay, now this is one thing you just want to do. Open your browser, go to Anime Vanguards. Okay, you want to create a private server if you already, let me move this out of the way. If you already have one, configure, wait for it, minimize these. You could regenerate the code, which is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to regenerate it. You're going to click this, it'll copy it. Now you want to go in your browser, paste the code, and then wait for it to load like your screen. Okay, now it changed. Click it again, Control C to copy, and then you can, when you do that, it opens your Roblox again. Let me, oh yeah. Now, you also should get Blockstrap. Blockstrap is very useful for this, but it's not needed. Blockstrap is just a better Roblox launcher, basically. Okay, and let me close this all Roblox. Okay, now wait for this. My screen is getting full. See, that's why you don't want your screen on full screen. Now you want to come here to the private server link. You want to paste or copy, save settings, and now it should work. And you can test it to see if it works by pressing F5. Now before that, let me close my Roblox actually. Okay, now if I press F5, it's okay. It opened my Roblox app, I think. Now that's also another problem. If that's a problem, you want to go to your settings. And so let me close this. You want to go to settings. You want to type in, I think it was app default. Yeah, type in default apps. And then you want to scroll down until you see Roblox player or Roblox. Yeah, no, I think it's Roblox player. Let me go back. Roblox player. You want to click on it, and you want it to be set as. I set mine as Blockstrap. Blockstrap is really useful. Set as default. Roblox player, make sure it's set as Blockstrap. Or it should be say Roblox player or something. I'm also gonna go to a Roblox. So Blockstrap. Set default. Now I set that default. If I go to my macro again, I press F5. Was it? Yeah. It should. There we go. So now it opens my browser. I don't think this really matters if you don't have the Roblox app, so it should be fine. But I have a different account on my Roblox app, so this is needed and it's very useful. Because if I'm just macro and I disconnect, it's going to reconnect me on my Roblox app, and the Roblox app does not work for this macro, by the way. So you need Roblox player. Now that that's working, let me show you. I showed you game mode, I showed you that. Now, what I'm going to do, there's nothing for me to really macro at the moment. I guess I'm going to macro portals until I buy all the rerolls. So yeah, after that, yeah, you want to probably turn your graphics all the way down to like 1. Oh, I think it's on. Yeah, I'm not ready. Okay, now my graphics are at 1. Oh, I think it's auto like doing my settings for me. Surely. I think my volume is not as low. My graphics were not at 1, but that's a good thing. It should be there. Then you want to go to placement. Now this is the important stuff. So I am going to macro. Let's see. I'm going to macro portals, right? For my portal team is team 2. Star portal, planet dynamic. Waiting time. I don't want to wait for anybody, so I'm going to make it 5. Let's put all planet dynamic. Flower counter 50%. So you can make calculations. Spring, and everything should be fine. So if I go here, my portal team is team 2. This is the team I use for spring portals. So normally it's Esconol, but I need Gojo for the Gojo glasses, the new event. So I'm gonna do that. So I am going to go to placement, and I'm gonna name it Sanjibu because that's Sanjibu first. Gojo, I have Gojo second, and these two I just have random units, so I don't really need them. If you don't have 6 slots, like you only have 5, then select you only have 5. Your last 2 slots always have to be Takarola, then Speedwagon, by the way. You have to listen to all of that. Make sure, oh, this has to be my team 2. Whoops. Okay. Sun Jinwoo, Gojo, random, and random. Okay, then I'm going to. I want these to max upgrade, or he make a max upgrade. I don't want to upgrade, and then I press save. Something with one placement, Gojo's one placement. I'm pretty sure these two are free placement, and I can check that really quickly. You are free, and you are. Oh no, Orihime is one placement. Okay, Orihime is one placement. Auto skill. Gojo's ability is time stop, so I just select that as one. And Sanjin-Woo, I want him to use only Shadow Summon. If it's a specific like difficult ability, for example, Gojo's is just a time stop, so it doesn't need its own ability section for it. But Sanjin-Woo, as you can see, or as you know, he can do multiple things. He can nuke and summon different summons. So like, yeah, this whatever one you want with Sanjin-Woo, just choose here. Yeah, save, and yeah, now placement. Since I'm doing mine, you have to do all of these manually, by the way, but for now I'm only gonna do the what was it called, the spring. Should be Pandemic Spring. It should be somewhere. Pandemic Spring, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna reset because he's one placement. This is my Sanjin-Woo. Sanjin-Woo I placed down here at the back. Then after number 2 is going to be Gojo. I'll place Gojo here, he's full AoE. Oh look, if I click there and it just doesn't show up and if it's negative, just try again. And then try again. And then it should work. Okay. Then after number 3 is my Orihime. I put Orihime next to my Sanjin-Woo because I think she gives like a range buff. And this one is free placement. I'll just place her on random places just in case I get a shield portal. So 1, 2, oh, I think there's 2 there, 2 there, 2, okay, this needs to work, thank you, and 3. This is only free placement, make sure the rest are 0, because if you have them somewhere, it's going to be trying to place the unit and a bar. Make sure you save with all of them, by the way. I kind of forgot to do that, but I think I did. No, mine is fine. My attack order spawns here, my speed wagon spawned there. Then I'm going to close it, save everything. Now this should be working correctly. Okay, so now I could also make it for my challenges, but I didn't set up my maps for that. So I'll do that in my own private time. You can make it check Roblox settings and AV settings. First choice, I want it to farm my portals, and second choice, I want it to farm. It doesn't matter. It never does second choice anyway. I don't think so. Unless you make it like, something like what can end. I don't know. Unless you make it something, yeah, I don't know. So I'll do portal and then save. And I'm pretty sure I got everything set up correctly. So I am going to quickly just... Alright, now that's actually the end. If you need any help, say in the comments, drop a like, sub, and DM me in Discord if you need help or anything. Adios, people.